Okay. Welcome back to this session. A very good afternoon. So now let us see one more example as into how to design a synchronous down counter. Okay, we saw an example of mod 6 up counter in the previous episode. So this is what we did. We had done for a mod 6 up counter using JK flip flop. We'll go for a mod 7, probably mod 7 down counter. Okay, so mod 7, the question would be design a synchronous mod 7 down counter using JK flip flop. Okay, so the first thing or the first step that you would do is you would have to determine the number of flip flops that are required. Mod 7 would count from 0 to 7 in this case, or 7 to 0, sorry, 6 to 0. Okay, so say 6 would be represented as 110 in binary, 2 000 in binary. Correct? Right? Could anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
So the number of flip flops required would be, therefore, number of flip flops required is equal to 3. Right? And we're going to use JK flip flop as it is mentioned in the question itself. So start writing the table present state, next state. Okay. So you would still have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q1 plus, Q2 plus, Q3 plus. So typically up counter would start with 0 and end with the higher digit. Down counters can also start with 0, but it would go to the next highest value. Okay, say assume that it starts with 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so you minus 1, what would you get? You would get 6. So your output should be 1, 1, 0. Now, usually what people do here is they write 6 here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, but if you write it in that fashion, writing K-map would be a little tricky. So what we can do is, we know that we will definitely get a sequence 1. Okay, so 0 to 6, right? So 1, 0, 0, 1. If you reduce one state, it would be 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0 would be 0, 0, 1. Understand, it's a down counter. If it is 1, the next count will be 0. If it is 2, the next count will be 1. Like that. Okay. So 3, 0, 1, 1 would be 2. 4 would be 3. 5 would be 4. 6 would be 5. Okay. If you get 7, what do you write here for 7? I'm sorry, I was a little out of screen. For 7, what is the next state?
Is it XXX?
Exactly, very good. It should be XXX. Okay, see, only writing this truth table will be different for up counter and down counter. In up counter, if it is 0, next state is 1. If it is 1, it is 2. If it is 2, it is 3. But here, it will reduce. Okay, it will reduce. Now, writing the flip-flop inputs. Okay, so you would need J1, K1, J2, K2, J3, K3. Correct? Now, this is very important. Please concentrate looking at the excitation table. If it is 0, 0, excitation input should be 0x. 0, 1, it should be 1x. 1, 0, x1. 1, 1, x0. Right? So, we will be writing for J1, K1, meaning we will have to select this column. Okay, this column. So if it is 0 1, if it is 0 1, excitation input should be 1, don't care. 0 0, it should be 0, don't care. 0 0, it should be 0, don't care. 0 0 should be 0, don't care. 1 0, 1 0 should be don't care 1. 1 1 should be don't care 0. 1 1 should be don't care 0. And finally for this, both the condition XX. Correct? Did you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you
Sure.
please fill the other two columns? So 0 1. I'm writing for flip-flop 2 inputs J2 K2. 0 1 should be 1x. 0 0 0 0 should be 0x. 1 0 should be x1. 1 1 is x0. 0 1 is 1x. 0 0 is 0x. 1 0 is x1. This is x6. Now write for the last one. 0 0 is 0x. 0 1 0 is x1. 0 1 is 1x. 1 0 1 0 is x1. 0 1 is 1x. 1 0 is x1. 0 1 is 1x. Have you all got the same values?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
writing
sir.
this table is very important. If you go wrong here, then you would lose marks. Okay. So once you have written this, now draw the K map for this. How do you do the K map? Now look, this is where you will have advantage. Earlier, I told you, you could have started with 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 7. Okay, but writing the K map or filling the values in K map would have become difficult for you. Now, directly I can write 1, 0, 0, 0, x, 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 x. This is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is for J1, right? So grouping J1, right? You can group this into one pair. So what do you get? J1 is equal to Q2 bar into Q3 bar. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please write the K maps for others also? So I'm writing for K1, 4x, 1, 0, 0, x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So K1 is again going to be Q2 bar into Q3 bar only. Now, please write the K map for J2 and K2. Okay, so J2 is 1, 0, x, x, 1, 0, x, x. For K2, x, x, 1, 0, x, x, 1, x. Correct? This is J2, this is K2. So you can group them into one quad. You can group them into one quad. So what do you get here? You get Q3 bar. Correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please solve for the last flip-flop. Zero x, 1x, and this is going to be 1x, 1x. So this is going to be 1x, sorry, x1, 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 xx. So here you can group this entire thing into one octet. This you can group into one quad and one quad. So you can get two quads here. So this is going to be J3 is equal to Q1 plus Q1 plus, what do you get here? Correct? Is this right?
Yes, sir.
So understood the concept?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
So the next state we have taken from 6 and then to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, sir.
Yes.
By taking like that, wouldn't there be any difference while uh, constructing the counter,
Definitely not.
the diagram?
I'll tell you. We have something called a state diagram. Okay. We have
Yes, sir.
something called as state diagrams, which we will be covering at the end of this module. But just to give an overview, we have discussed this earlier also. Okay. So what would we do? We would start with S naught, state S0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it is a down counter, right? Next would be state S6. Right? So from here, I would come here. From S6, I will come to S5. From S5, I'll go to S4. S4 to S3. S3 to S2. S2 to S1. And S1 to S0. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ S0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. S0 ಇಂದ S6 ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, S6 ಇಂದ S5 ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, S5 ಇಂದ S4, S4 ಇಂದ S3, S3 ಇಂದ S2, S2 ಇಂದ S1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, while writing the table, what I did, see, if I write the table in this way, time taken to write the K-map will become a little more. Correct. So I would be writing like 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Correct. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ K-map ಇದು ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್.
Yes, sir.
Truth table in the K-map ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ then I have to again renumber. This is 0, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ K-map ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Correct? While entering the
Yes, sir.
values in the K-map here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what would happen? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this fashion, what would you do? You would write in 6. You would write in 6. Then you would write in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the time required to write 1 to 10 and the time required to write 10 to 1 would be a little more compared to writing 1 to 10. Few fraction
Yes,
of a second. So that is why what we did is we wrote the table in such a way that it is going to be convenient. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is a difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. That I will leave it to you. Okay, or you want me to help in writing the circuit diagram again? I hope you can manage that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir indicates what? You would write or you would want me to write?
We'll write, sir.
Okay, great. So should we proceed for the next one? Now, let us go ahead. The next thing that we would be discussing is again design okay, we will go with mod 6 itself, continue with mod 6, it becomes convenient so that you would understand. Design a mod 6 up counter using D flip-flop. Design a synchronous mod 6 up counter using D flip-flop. Design a synchronous mod 6 up counter using D flip-flop. Okay, so how would you do? You would still start with writing the excitation table. Write the excitation table for mod 6 counter. We have already discussed this in the previous session. Can you write that? Can you write the truth table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please go ahead and write the truth table. Present state. You would start with Q1, Q2, Q3. Next state, Q1 plus, Q2 plus, Q3 plus. So mod 6 would count between 0 to 5. So start with 0, up counter 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Right? So next state is 0, 1, 0. Okay, I missed one here. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this would go to 0 because it is a mod 6 counter. Okay, kindly adjust here. I missed out 0, 0, 1. So you would require 3 flip-flops and we are using a D flip-flop. So you need D1, D2, D3. Now look at the excitation table for D flip-flop. If it is 0, 0, it is 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 0. 1, 1 is 1. Okay. Basically what we do is we just follow whatever is written for Q plus.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Rochan.
Sir, is it necessary to write till 7, sir? Like 0 to 7?
Yes, definitely necessary because when you write K-map, you would require values for 6 and 7 also. K-map ಅಲ್ಲಿ entry ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಓಕೆನಾ. See here one shortcut I will teach you. If it is for D flip-flop, just blindly don't look at present state, only look at next state. Okay, don't look at present state, only look at next state, because if you look here between this, if you want 0 as your output to the next stage, you have to feed 0. If you want 1, you have to feed 1. 0 is 0, 1 is 1. Excitation table for D flip-flop here. Right? So blindly you can write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, x, x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೇಷನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 0, 0ಗೆ 0, 0, 1ಗೆ 1, 1, 0ಗೆ 0 ಆ ಥರನೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದೊಂಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ಟೈಮ್. We know that for a D flip-flop, the next state will depend on only the D input. Okay, we are not worried about the previous output. So we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, x, x. This is going to be 0, sorry, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, x, x. Can you write the truth table? We have written the truth table. Now write the K-map for D1, D2, D3. Okay, I shall write the K-map here. So this will be Q1, Q2, Q3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So start filling in the values. 0, 0, 0, 1, right? 1, 0, x, x. 1, 0, x, x. Right? This is for D1. Similarly, for D2, so this is going to be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, x, x. Okay, this is for D2. Now for D3, so this is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, x, x. This is D3. Now start forming the groups. Here, these two and these two will form one quad, and it would be Q3 bar. Okay, here these two will form one pair. This can't go with anything else, so we'll leave it as it is. And here we can form one pair here and one pair here. Okay, so with respect to this, it is going to be Q2, Q3 plus Q1, Q3 bar. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for this, it has to be Q1 bar, Q2 bar, Q3 plus Q2, Q3. Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Please write the circuit for this. Please draw the circuit. circuit diagram with 3 D flip-flops, common clock.
Sir, D1 out of frame of here.
D1 is out of frame, yes. I expected you would have written by now. So you can verify your values for D1, D2 and D3. Meanwhile, let us also write the circuit for this. So D3 is complement of D3 is complement of Q3. So for D2, it has to be Q1 bar into Q2 bar into Q3 plus Q2 into Q3 bar. Okay, so you will have to write a circuit that will have 3 inputs. Give me a minute. We will need an OR gate first. This OR gate will have 2 inputs. One, we can write from one AND gate, which will take Q2, and Q3 bar. Okay, the other one will be from one more AND gate, which will take 3 inputs. That will be Q1 bar, Q2 bar and Q3. See, what I have done here is instead of routing wire, I've just written the variable names here. This is also fine. Okay, if you do not have space to do, you can do it in this fashion. Fine. Similarly, one more OR gate is required here. From Q2, Q3, Q1, Q3. So you can call this FF3, FF2. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a minute to write it down. Please write it down. done writing. Now we will implement the same using T flip-flop. Okay, so you can look at the excitation table. If it is 0 0, no change. If it is 1 1, no change, meaning 0. If it is changing from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, the excitation value will change to 1. Okay, so start your table. Design mod 6 up counter using T flip-flop. Okay, see, it is not mandatory. The reason why I am taking mod 6 is so that you will understand the concept clearly. There is no hard and fast rule. They can ask you to design for any value. Mod and counter is what we need to understand. Okay, so please write present state, next state, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q1 plus, Q2 plus, Q3 plus, T1, T2, T3. So start with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so your truth table remains same from the previous. Sorry, this will go to 0, 0, 0. If you have understood, please continue writing the values for T. Flip-flop inputs. See, it is 0, 0, meaning it has not changed. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, X, X. I hope you have understood this step.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is transitioning from 0 to 0 or 1 to 1, T input will be 0. If it is transitioning from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, T input will be 1. Please write for Q2 also. For 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 0, 1 0 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0, X X. Correct? Are we on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last one would always be you can say the K map for this. Please write the K map for this. So T3 is equal to 1. So values would be 0, 1. Zero, 1, S, X. Correct? So please form the groups and give me the value for T1 and T2. For T1, these two can form a pair, and these two can form a pair. So you get 2 pairs, here 1 pair. So here it is Q1 bar into Q3. Here it is going to be.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ T1ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ T2ಗೂ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ X ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
You're not audible actually.
Sir,
See, there was a question telling that T1, as we have gone for 2 pairs for T1, we can go for multiple pairs for T2. As this is don't care condition, I can consider this has to be 1 or 0. Only if there is an essential prime implicant which cannot be grouped with something else, we will consider X as 1. Otherwise, we can make X as 0. Okay, in this case, I have taken X values, both the X values as 0. Okay, so that is the reason I have only 1 pair for T2. If I add this, okay, if this would result into a quad, we would add. Otherwise, we would only be adding two more gates, one AND gate for this and one OR gate for this. So here it's going to be Q1, Q3 plus Q2, Q3. Fine. Understood the concept? Please write the diagram for this. Have a common clock. Okay, for T2 you can say it is Q1 bar into Q3. So you can have one AND gate here. From Q3 you can take and one from Q1 bar.
Sir,
Right? Yes, sir.
screen blur ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay, we'll just wait for it to reconnect. Okay, so meanwhile I've finished the diagram. You can just have a look at the diagram. This is how the diagram would look. Then, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll end this session here.